Hey everyone! Let's start with something very real. Are you planning to launch a medical device in India but feeling overwhelmed by CDSCO regulations? You're not alone, because entering the Indian market means dealing with Central Drugs Standard Control Organization. And here's the common assumption. India is an easy market compared to US or EU. But reality? Complex licensing pathways, import license challenges, documentation gaps, delays in approvals, constant regulatory updates. Result: 3 months becomes 12 months. Applications get rejected. Costs increase unexpectedly. The biggest mistake? Underestimating CDSC requirements. In this video, we'll go deep into step-by-step CDSCO registration process, timeline, realistic expectations, cost breakdown, very important, documents required, import versus manufacturing pathways, common mistakes with real examples, and how to reduce approval time. Let's break it down. Part 1. The real problem. Why CDSCO registration feels complicated. Most companies say, we didn't expect India to be this complex. Because CDSCO requires proper classification, local authorized agent, strong documentation, strict compliance. Common pain points. Our application got rejected. We faced long delays. We didn't understand classification. Import license process was confusing. Root causes: no regulatory strategy, poor documentation, wrong classification, no local expertise. Key insight: CDSCO approval is process-driven, not just documentation submission. Part 2. CDSCO regulatory framework. Overview: CDSCO regulates medical devices, IVDs, drugs. Classification system: Class A, low risk, Class B, low to moderate, Class C, moderate to high, Class D, high risk. Based on intended use, risk level. Licensing authorities: State Licensing Authority, SLA, Central Licensing Authority, CLA, or CDSCO, Class C and D. Part 3. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Device classification. Critical. Determine correct class. Problem: wrong classification. Result: application rejection. Step 2. Appoint authorized Indian agent for import. Mandatory for foreign manufacturers. Role: submission, communication, compliance. Step 3. Prepare documentation. Includes Device Master File, DMF, Plant Master File, ISO 13485 certificate, Free Sales Certificate, CE/FDA approval if available, clinical data if required. Problem: incomplete documentation. Step 4. Create Sugam Portal account, CSDO online submission portal. Step 5. Application submission. Forms: MD14 import license, MD7 or MD8 manufacturing. Step 6. Fee payment based on device class. Step 7. Review by authority, SLA or CSDO. Possible: query or deficiency letter. Step 8. Respond to queries. Critical stage: must respond correctly, within timeline. Step 9. Approval and license issuance. MD15 import license, MD9 manufacturing license. Step 10. Post-market compliance. Adverse event reporting, license renewal, change management. Part 4. Timeline. Real timeline. Class A, 1 to 3 months. Class B, 3 to 6 months. Class C, 6 to 9 months. Class D, 9 to 12 months. With issues, 12 to 18 months. Key insight: documentation quality defines timeline. Part 5, cost breakdown. Government fees: Class A, low. Class B, moderate. Class C or D, higher. Professional fees: consultant, $2,000 to $15,000. Agent fees varies. Documentation cost, $3,000 to $20,000. Hidden costs: resubmission, delays, testing. Example: incomplete DMF, rejection, rework cost. Key insight: preparation reduces cost significantly. Part 6, documents required. Core documents: device master file, DMF, plant master file, ISO 13485, FSC, labeling and IFU. Additional: clinical data, test reports, authorization letter. Part 7, common mistakes. Mistake 1, wrong classification. Result, rejection. Mistake 2, poor documentation. Result, delay. Mistake 3, weak agent selection. Result, communication issues. Mistake 4, ignoring queries. Result, application closure. Mistake 5, no strategy. Result, high cost and delays. Part 8, final strategy. How to get CDSC approval faster. Classify correctly. Prepare strong documentation. Choose right agent. Respond quickly. Plan ahead. One line: CDSO success equals strategy plus documentation plus execution. Planning to launch in India? Don't let CDSO delays slow you down. Because weak documentation equals rejection. Poor planning equals delays. No strategy equals higher cost. Why choose OMC Medical? CDSO experts, end-to-end registration, documentation support, faster approvals. Whether you're starting fresh or facing delays, talk to OMC Medical experts today. If this helped you understand CDSO registration, follow OMC Medical for more deep regulatory insights, and we'll see you in the next video.